This is a public service announcement. This problem is asking you to deduct information given a percent graph. Okay, so you're going to need to use the last notes we took on page 51 over categorical data, how to take and use percents from graphs, and page 27, how to solve percent proportions. You should also be using your throw-up sheet on the top right corner of your conversions page, where it has 1 boxes and percent proportions, how you solve using cross multiplication or scale factors. In this case, we'll use part over whole equals percent over 100 and cross multiply and divide to solve. Okay, this problem says a survey was given to 200 adults, so this is our total amount in the survey, over the age of 25 to determine how they preferred to exercise. Oof. Based on the percent graph below, how many people said they prefer going to the gym? Okay. So our graph shows that out of 100% of the people, out of all 200, what percent prefer going to the gym? So going to the gym, if you said 80%, okay, it ends at 80, but it doesn't take up the whole bar. All right, so we can read it in sections. The people who prefer walking go from 0 to halfway between 20 and 25. So this is about 22.5%. Okay, jogging goes from about 22.5 to 50. Okay, so that's like 10, 20, 25, 26, 27.5%. Okay, so this one goes all the way here. 27.5 covers this section. Going to the gym is from 50 to halfway between 80 and 90. What number is halfway between 80 and 90? Okay, so this is like going 50 to 60, so 10, 20, 30, 35. So this covers 35% of the whole graph. And then playing a sport covers 90 to 100 is 10%, plus that 5 would be 15. Okay, we just need the going to the gym. All right, if we want to know 35% of 200 is how many people, you need a percent proportion. So remember, those are part over whole equals the percent over 100. And you can use these to solve for any part that you're missing. Okay, maybe they give you the part in whole and you solve for a percent. Maybe in this case they give you the percent and your total and you're solving for part. Okay, so that's what you need to decide. In our percent proportion, what numbers do we have to plug in? Okay, we know 100 is always going to stay the same. It's going to stay right there on the bottom of the right. Okay, and the percent always goes above it. So what percent are we looking for? Okay, we know we're looking for that 35%. Okay, we're looking for 35%, and the other number we have is 200. Okay, why am I not using the 25? Because the 25 is describing, this is people over the age of 25. 25 doesn't determine how many of those adults, it's just describing their age, and that's going to be extra information. That doesn't matter to us. Okay? So you need to decide, is that 200 adults the total amount in the survey, or is that the part? Okay? The survey was given to a total of 200. So that's going to be our whole. And we need to find how many people prefer going to the gym. So how many people? What is 35% of 200? Okay, to solve, you need to cross multiply and divide.